How to save a zip file to OneDrive. Got a zip file from email or download? You can save it directly to OneDrive to back it up or access it from anywhere. Here's how. First, download the zip file from email or web browser to a local downloads folder. Now open the File Explorer and find your OneDrive folder. Go in the search menu and type OneDrive. Now simply drag and drop the zip file into that folder to begin syncing it with the cloud. Let's do it like this. Wait for the sync icon to change to a green check or a cloud icon. That means your zip file is safely stored on OneDrive. And that's how you share a zip file to OneDrive. Easy access anywhere you go. And that's about it. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next video.